The idea is that people get things mended instead of just putting them in the bin and buying another one.
The volunteers, they're very good. They try to use their professional expertise to help others.
We're dependent on our volunteers. If without them we have nothing, so we're really grateful to people who are willing to come along and give 2 hours of their time to help us.
Well, I brought with me a lawnmower because I'm determined that I'm not just going to chuck something out when it seems perfectly good but just won't switch on.
My husband has got a brand new suit. He wore only once at the last wedding, and it just seems such a waste of money that if we go out and buy a new one.
There's an all Wales organisation, Café Repair Wales, and we sort of heard about it and basically thought, yeah, that's a really good idea. You know, it's got many, many purposes. Really, the obvious one is to repair things, but there's a huge social, community aspect to it as well. If you're interested in sort of meeting people from different backgrounds, ages, whatever, it's an ideal spot for that.
It's just nice to have this sort of facility and knowing that there are people here who can do something for you so you don't have to chuck something straight in the skip as soon as it goes wrong.
I think this is a very good act for every person. So later on, if I can help others to build a friendly society, I mean, that's my aim. Thank you, Repair Café Wales.